Hello and welcome to this new concept. We're going to talk about the median, which is the concept of description statistics. The median is simply put it is the value where the divide that splits our data set into two. 50% is inferior to that median, to that value, and 50% is superior to it. We're gonna take a look at a simple example so we're gonna understand it very well. We're gonna look at the case of odd series and impair series. Okay, so the case for it is we have here five values for on the score test, 20 on 20. In odd series here we had 20, 13, 14, 7 and 12. In the impair series we took four impair number, 20, 30, 13, 14 and 7, four values. The first thing we have to do is the classification from the inferior value to the superior value. We have the classification 7, 12, 13, 14, and 20. And in the pair series, sorry, here we have the pair series, and the odd series, the pair series here is 7, 13, 14, and 20. Okay, so the way to do that, we have to class in the case we want to know the median in the odd series. We took the number of values we have. Here we have is 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then we have this is the first value, the second value, the third value. That means the median is 13, which is where we split our data set into two. Two values have 50% has values inferior to it, and 50% have values superior to it. The inferior value is 7 and 12, and the superior values is 14 and 20. Okay. In the case of pair series, we have here four values. Okay. In the case of four values, which we simply put it, we took simply the number of values here we have four is divided by two, which is 2. 7 and 13. 30, if we took, for example, 13, this is not gonna divide our dataset into split our dataset into two, where 50% is inferior to the median that we're gonna find, and 50% has a value superior to it. If we took 14, the same goes on. We have two value that are less, and one value that is 20. We're gonna observe that the median exists between 13 and 14. And the way to do that, we took that value plus that value divided by 2 is gonna simply give us 13.5. That means the median is 13.5. Okay. It's simple example. It's very simple. It's not that complicated. If we then we're gonna move on quickly to the continuous variables, where we're gonna have a little bit of work to do. Here we have in the continuous value. Here we have a monthly salary, effective number of employees. We have employees, and if you cumulative and the cumulative number of them, cumulative number of employees. Okay. And we have a formula to calculate the median in the case of continuous variables. So we have here, in order for us to calculate the median of monthly salary, where 50% have a salary less than the value of the median, and 50% have a value superior to it, we're gonna we're gonna check the sum, which is 60 divided by 2 is give us 30. Okay, the value of 30. That means in the case of cumulative values, here 30 exists between 20 and 30 and 38. Okay, we're gonna look for here. Okay, that means 30, which is the half of 60, exists between the median exists between, which is exists between 20 and 38. Okay, we have 20 and 38. Okay, the median we look for is the salary, where we have 50% have values inferior to it, 50% have superior to it. That means the median simply exists between 2000 and 2500. Here the median exists between 200 and 2000 and 2500. In order for us to calculate the median, we're gonna take a formula here. That is, we're gonna take the median minus 2000 divided by 2500 divided by 2000. It's a simple calculation. The median minus the inferior median class divided by the superior class for the median minus the inferior class where we're gonna find the median, equal to 30 minus 20, the inferior numbers, divided by 38 minus 20. Okay, that means if we calculate that, it's gonna give us median minus 2000. For example, it can be dollars, it can be the salary. 2500 minus 2000 is 500, equal to 10 divided by 18. Okay, now we're gonna check formula. This is where we're gonna find the median. It's simply put it, we're gonna calculate by the rule of 3. Okay, where 500 is multiplied by 10 and my median minus 2000 multiplied by 18. Okay, it's 18 multiplied by the median minus 2000, and 10 multiplied by 500 is simply 5000. This means m minus 2000, we're gonna take the 18 into the next part of the equation. That means 5000 is gonna be divided by 18. It's gonna give us m minus 2000 is gonna equal to if we divide 5000 by 18, it's gonna give us 277. 277. .77. We're going to take another part of the equation, 2000. That means the median is equal to 2,777.77. For example, dollars or the currency is salary at. That means 2,777 is the value, is the salary where 50% of that statistical theory of continuous variable have salary inferior to it, and 50% have a salary of employee, and 50% of employees have a salary superior to it. Excel gives us the opportunity to calculate directly the median. Let's take an example of our data sets in the medical blood pressure. If we want to calculate the median age, the median is the factors that are contributing to cardiovascular risk, the systolic BP, diastolic BP, BME, and cholesterol levels. We're gonna look for the mean. We already calculate the mode. Okay, let's look for the mode. Let's look for the mode also. Let's look for the mode that we explained in the last video. The mode is 58. The most this means the most frequent age is 58. We're gonna generate that, and that's it. The median, we're gonna calculate the median, which is I'm gonna give an example of a commentary to it. Simply look for the median for formula here, and then enter. That means the median age is 53, where 50% of these patients have age very to 53, and the 50% have age superior of patients superior to 53. We're gonna calculate the generate for this factor of systolic, diastolic, BME, and cholesterol levels, and that's it. This is simple. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we're gonna talk about the quartile, 25% and 75%. Then later we're gonna talk about, we have a list of concepts we're gonna cover: variance, standard deviation, and Lorentz curve and Gini index. So stay tuned for more high value content.